Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel for another step-by-step makeup tutorial. If today is your first time of stopping by, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. God bless you. First, I'm using a face primer to prime my face. Next, I'm using a foundation for my face. Please don't forget to show me love, support me by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for showing me love. Thank you for watching my video. I appreciate it. I'm grateful. Thank you very much. God bless you. Next, I'm using a concealer to highlight my face. Next, I'm using this Elegant Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa to contour my cheek and contour my nose. Next, I'm using a pressed powder to set my highlights. Next, I'm using a setting powder to set my highlights and bake as well. Next, I'm using CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer to bronze my cheek, bronze my forehead. Next, I'm cleaning up the nose contour to define it more. I'm using natural light, so the light is going up and down. Bear with me guys, I'm sorry. It's natural lightening and it's going up and down. Next is brows. I'm using David's Brow Penciling number 3 for my brows. Next, I'm using a concealer to clean up the brows, to define the brows more. Next is eyes. First, I'm using a brown eyeshadow shade from as my transition color for my crease. Next, I'm using a darker brown shade for my outer crease. And take it a little bit to the inner crease as well, to darken it a little bit. Next, I'm using this Coral Peachy eyeshadow shade for my eyelid. Next, I'm blending the edges to make sure there are no sharp lines. Next, I'm using NYX Milk Zumbo pencil for my waterline. Next, I'm using that brown eyeshadow shade, the dark one I use for my outer crease. I'm using it for my lower lash line. Then the Peachy Coral shade for the inner lower lash line. Eyeliner time. I'm using a liquid eyeliner to line my eyes with a little wing. Next is mascara. Next is false lashes. I'm wearing my false lashes now. Next, I'm using a powder puff to buff up the powder to clean and blend my face to make it smooth. Next is blush. I'm using this blush palette from Tara Makeup for my cheek to blush up the cheek. Next is highlighter time. I'm using this highlighter from Younger Beauty. Is their Candid Glow highlighter. I'm using it to highlight my face. I'm using the shade called Kporkish to highlight my face. Next is I'm using MAC Fix Plus spray to set my makeup. Then mascara for my lower lash line. Little mascara for the lower lash line. Next is lips. I'm using this lip purple lipstick, matte lipstick from Classic Makeup for my lips. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Show me love, support me by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you very much for subscribing. Thank you very much for watching my video. I appreciate it. God bless you. Thank you. Bye.